Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make vegan ghee. This plant-based alternative offers a rich, buttery flavor without any dairy, making it ideal for various culinary uses, especially in Indian cooking. It's also cholesterol-free. We'll focus on a simple method using refined coconut oil, which provides a similar consistency to traditional ghee, along with a few key ingredients to infuse that authentic aroma and taste. To start crafting your vegan ghee, measure out 1/2 cup of refined coconut oil and pour it into a sturdy pan. Place this over a medium flame and gently heat the oil. Watch carefully as it warms. You'll know it's ready when you see a faint wisp of smoke. At this precise moment, take the pan off the heat right away to ensure the oil doesn't burn, preserving its delicate flavor. Now for the magic of flavor infusion. Carefully add 2 tender guava leaves, 5 to 6 fresh curry leaves, and a small pinch of turmeric powder to your hot coconut oil. Give it a gentle stir, then cover the pan. Let this mixture steep for about 1 hour. This crucial step allows the leaves and turmeric to release their wonderful aromas and subtle flavors, creating that characteristic ghee-like essence. Once your vegan ghee has steeped for about 1 hour, it's time for the final step. Carefully strain the oil through a fine mesh sieve or a thin, clean cloth into a glass jar, removing all the leaves and spices. Allow it to cool completely before sealing the lid. You can store this delicious vegan ghee in a cool, dry pantry for up to 3 months, or keep it in the refrigerator for even longer freshness, enjoying its rich flavor in all your favorite dishes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.